students, in the previous video, we saw a very quick introduction about polynomials and zero of these polynomials. In this video, we will try to understand the geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. Now let us take a simple graph. I'm going to plot this line. This is a line which is x plus y is equal to 5 or y is equal to 5 minus x. So I'm going to plot the points 1, 2, 3, 4 and this particular point is 5. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 and let this point be 5. So this point is going to be 0, 5 and this particular point is going to be 5, 0. Now if you see in this particular graph, there is only one point in the x-axis that is crossed over by the line which is 5, 0. So this particular point which has a value 5, 0 means x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. So this particular value 5, 0 is the 0 of this particular polynomial x plus y is equal to 5. Now let us take one more graph. So in this case, this equation is actually y is equal to x squared. Now if you see the point, this point, the point where this graph touches the x-axis is actually the origin 0, 0. It touches both the x and the y-axis in this case at the point 0, 0. So this value 0, 0 is the 0 of this particular polynomial. Okay. This polynomial has one 0 which is point is 0, 0, that is the origin. Now let us take one more case for a different graph. Let's see this particular graph. As we see, this graph touches the x-axis at two different points. Okay. This means this polynomial has two zeros. Now let us take another graph. As we see from the graph, there are 3 points through which this curve hits the x-axis. I've circled all the 3 points. So this shows that the polynomial has 3 zeros. So anytime you're given a graph, you have to look out for the points wherein the curve hits the x-axis. Now let us take a case where I draw a curve like this. This curve does not touch x-axis at any point in time. This means the particular polynomial has no zeros. So all you have to look out in the graph are points if the curve hits the x-axis and simply count how many such points exist. So the number of points is going to be equal to the number of zeros that particular polynomial has. And as I showed in the last case, if the curve never hits the x-axis, it means that it has no real zeros. Okay. In the next video, we will see relationship between zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.